Patrick Johnston here again, GoDominicanLife.com and LasTerrenasLife.com, your real estate company right here in the DR. Look, a couple weeks ago we did a video about Ikea in Santiago, but we are now right here in Santo Domingo at the main showcase room, the main store, the warehouse, which is probably 4 times as large as the ones would be in Canada. So we're gonna go check it out. They even have the restaurants. I'm waiting for some Swedish meatballs. So are you gonna come with me? Let's go.
Six hours later.